Hey guys, back with another weekly trade recap, and today I'll be showing you guys a short that I took in PM session. I'll also be showing you guys what I could expect from the next week and what's been happening lately because there's been a crazy ranging market, and I'll show you guys exactly what I think. Now, let's get straight into the video. So, first of all, important to mention on Forex Factory, we could see some of our red folder news. FOMC is going to be the main one this week. So prior going into FOMC, Monday, Tuesday, I'm not taking a lot of trades. I'm very selective with my trades, and I'll show you guys what I was looking at specifically over here. So looking at NQ, this last Thursday, we had a huge sell-off overnight, technically going into Friday. And so price kind of hung out right here. And then Monday, Sunday night, the entire nightly range, we're going up higher, kind of retracing all of that progress. And so we initially targeted this daily high right here. And so once price kind of hit that, we just hung out. This is kind of showing you like, okay, we once you hit a major level and we're not really seeing any follow through, this is kind of signaling to possibly a market maker sell model because what that's telling us is we're kind of accumulating, we might be manipulating at these highs, so then we should later on distribute, and that's exactly what I thought is going to happen. So right here, this entire morning, we're kind of sitting inside of this hourly bearish fair value gap, and we have a lot of sell side right here, and most of it has no protective like fair value gaps. This is easily a low resistance liquidity run. All of this is, there's not any huge fair value gaps stopping us from going lower. And so yes, the 4 hour has, we have a 4 hour fair value gap in here. However, that's not really conducive to us going higher because we just took out this buy side right here. And so going into this morning, I wasn't too interested. I did not take any trades in here because I was only looking for shorts. And yes, we came up, we took this buy side. So then I kind of was going to look later on into the session, and sure enough, this is what I saw. So initially, we have this inversion on the 2 minute. Kind of saw that. I'm like, okay, I missed that initial entry, so we were already kind of trading lower at that point. So then right here was my second entry opportunity. And so right around here, I got short. Stop at the high. And then I just aimed for right around this low. I think I took off a little bit earlier, but like right around here. So almost a 3-to-1. We did get more expansion, however, I just wasn't sure. It's the day before FOMC. You should be a little bit extra careful. Take profit early, don't risk too much. Like, that's the protocol. Most of the time, you shouldn't be trading before FOMC, anyways. But if you do get a nice little setup like this, where we're accumulating all day long, we've already had our manipulation. We're just looking for distribution. That's exactly what we wanted to see. And I kind of want you guys to realize in every entry that I have, there's going to be accumulation, manipulation, distribution. However, it's going to be on multiple time frames. So right here in this instance, if we're accumulating in here, we're manipulating here, then distributing. It's always going to be the same thing on the lower time frame as well. There's going to be some kind of accumulation, manipulation, and then we're going to distribute. Always, every time frame. If we look at even our higher time frame, for example, we're accumulating in here, we're manipulating, we're distributing. Like, it's happening everywhere. I'd say this is accumulation, we're manipulating, and then we're distributing through those lows. So there's always going to be a market maker model, market maker buy model. And you just have to look and kind of analyze and see, okay, this is our swing point. This is probably going to be, for instance, this high. probably going to be a protected stop. Up here, our manipulation probably going to be a protected stop. Sure enough, price never trades back to it. So you just have to kind of look at that and say, all right, well, if price isn't going to go back to that, how can I position myself so that my stop is protected and that we're going to be on side of that distribution? And sure enough, we were. Show you guys a trade real quick right here. Been trading on Tradevate a little more lately. So what I'm expecting going into the next couple days. Right here, we just had an inversion on our 4-hour. You guys are seeing it live. I think we'll trade to some of these lows down here, honestly. Yeah, Monday is probably going to be the high of the week. Technically Monday, and then Tuesday is kind of following off of that. And it looks like a classic Tuesday bearish expansion because right here we're kind of trading into even though it's not a PD array, we're trading into, we took out this daily high, and then Tuesday is just continuing what Monday did. So then we should, from here, our next candle should just be another down close candle right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions at all. I will be live trading this week, so make sure you guys tune into that. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.